Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. This is House of Fashion signing in once again in front of you with a beautiful and the amazing video of nail art in front of you, which is a spring summer nail art, which is very means vibrant in color and very beautiful. So watch the video till end and enjoy the video till end. And if you like one of the idea in this video, then write in the comment section. And if you like the video, then also don't forget to press the thumbs up button. Viewers, let's move on to the video. Welcome to the channel of House of Fashion. Hope you all are fine. May Allah Almighty bless you always with the prosperity, health and wealth. Ameen summa ameen. Viewers, on your screen there is a lot of nail art which is presented from House of Fashion in front of you. Very beautiful and trendy, fashionable, stylish nail art. These are with this spring season and going to match with this spring season. Very wonderful, very interesting. Each and every design has a colorful touch, vibrant touch to nude. The flowers on it is very beautiful. The colors are very beautiful. Each and every nail art is presenting a very wonderful ideas. This one is very unique one with the nude and the butterflies. Viewers, House of Fashion always tries to give you a wonderful ideas which is related to the nails. And if you want to see any type of nail idea, then write us in the comment section. And hope you like the video. Then don't forget to press the button. And if you don't subscribe my channel yet, then subscribe it first. And don't forget to press the thumbs up bell icon to follow the channel. Viewers, share my channel with your friends and family and the social media which is used by yourself. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.